Imagine waking up to find your favorite wine city under threat, not from competition, but from raging wildfires. Bordeaux, the iconic heart of French wine culture, now faces flames creeping ever closer, fueled by scorching temperatures and relentless winds. Over 250,000 people have been forced from their homes as firefighters battle exhaustion and seemingly insurmountable odds. This isn't just a local disaster, it's a global wake-up call about climate change. Could this be the moment that transforms how we view environmental action? Stay tuned for updates and ways you can help.